everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I even need to introduce these nails because if you haven't noticed,
It's October 3rd.
Anyway, I'm in a good mood, so here are my mean girls nails. Let's get started. For the ring finger, we're going to make a French tip with a pop of color to distract from all the pink. So I got this very pretty mint green, and you're going to coat a little more than half the nail. Outline where you stopped your green in black, and then to draw on the bow, you're just going to make 2 parallel lines and connect them diagonally, and then fill it in to make a pretty bow. Of course, I had to draw a very fancy heel because if you didn't know this about Regina George,
I will grind you to sand beneath my Louboutin heels.
And so we will begin on a white base by drawing the outline of a foot in a heeled shoe. You don't need to differentiate what's a foot and what's a shoe for now, just outline it in black and try and get your lines as accurate as possible, no matter how ugly they look. They'll be covered. Now you want a flesh colored polish, and you're going to paint around any area where skin might be shown. Obviously you don't need to paint the heel, but maybe around the toe even if the shoe is going to cover it. You get to fill in your shoe with some pink polish. Why pink polish, you ask? Because it's Wednesday. And if you forgot,
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
for the index finger, I decided to use a crown design. Obviously, this is because.
Regina George is the queen bee.
And now, on your baby pink base, you're going to draw your crown. The way I think of a crown is you start by trying to draw an E, except without the middle line, and then you turn those 2 lines into identical triangles, and then you put a large triangle in the middle, and then you want to end with a line. Lastly, the thumb, and my favorite nail is inspired by the burn book. The burn book is definitely one of the most significant symbols in the entire show. And in the Broadway musical, my favorite song, World Burn, is inspired by the Burn book, of course. If you haven't seen it or listened to the soundtrack, I definitely recommend. It's so much better than the movie, I'm sorry. On the same color as your crown nail, that beautiful baby pink, you're going to draw 8 boxes in a circle. They should be uneven and a mixture of black and white. You can use a picture of the Mean Girls Burn book for reference. Now, as neatly as you can muster, I recommend using a toothpick because I don't think any nail art brush is small enough. You're going to draw in the words burn book with the opposite color. For example, if the box is black, you're going to draw in with white. We are almost finished. Okay, so now you want to draw these tiny lips in between the words in white first, and then in red so that it's perfectly opaque. So, what do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. The music is in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Happy October 3rd.